Rocket Fat here. Alright guys, it's another rocket day in the jungle. Alright man, how about we do a quick shop update, what's going on, what we got going on, you know, we throw a whole bunch of them in there at one time, alright? Alright, so today is Tuesday. Dash is completely in the truck. I'm gonna do a video on that in a second, so hold off on that, but I got something more important to talk about than that. So this Jewel just came in today. This is a 1985-ish, 4, 5, 6. Well, El Camino. For you guys down there in Australia, that would be a Ute. But that's what we got for a El Camino here. And it's here for the air conditioning not working properly. Guy wants me to clean out the AC box and stuff like that, but the biggest question is okay, what is that? I'm assuming that's some sort of filter with garden hose or home repair place hose, fish tank hose, whatever, tying into the high side liquid line coming out of the condenser, coming this way. Bam, what is this? Okay, so it's still got R12 in it. If you know the difference, they changed it back in the late 80s, early 90s to 134A. All right, so that's what my job is here. That and also the multifunction switch needs to be replaced. Jackie's back. She's still dirty. Almost done with the cataract. I'll give you all a quick flyby. I'm not going to show you a whole lot. I will make a full video of cataract. Came out really nice. Still got some things to do. Waiting on some hose, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, gonna be sweet. Looking forward to it getting done. Basically, that's what I got left to put on it, and a condenser. So, other thing is, got the ram off of the lift, and you know, these weren't very old, and these seals are all just falling apart, and I mean just literally flaking out of there. So gonna go get some new seals and we'll get that fixed up. It's all nice and clean in there. Let's see if you can see. Ooh, pretty. All right, so that's that. Yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. Now to the meat and potatoes of this video. Y'all lasted 3 minutes. Now we're gonna get to the real fun stuff. Would you put 134A in your car? Customer shows up with a case or so of this stuff, and he wants me to put it in his air conditioning. Big red flag here. Big red flag. I mean, it's got a maple leaf. Maybe the Canadians think it's okay. It's eco-safe, non-ozone depleting. Yeah. But, what? Danger, flammable, replace 134A replacement. That's not how I would word that. I would say 134A replacement. I wouldn't put rim place, whatever rim place means. I don't know. Maybe that's some fancy word. I don't know. See additional warnings and instructions on side panel. Let's go back and see some of the warnings. Let's see. Container may explode if heated. Contents may catch fire. Do not puncture. Do not smoke. Do not burn. Use only in well-ventilated areas. Keep away from flames such as pilot lights and any object that sparks, like an electric motor. What's cars got for their air conditioning? Would it be an electric motor? Just saying. I'm asking questions here. We're not making, we're just saying. Keep out of reach of children. Well, that would be, a good idea. Okay? Store away from heat. First aid treatment. Okay? So now, not only let's see what the first aid is. Contains alkanase, whatever the hell that is. If inhaled, remove victim to fresh air. If swallowed, call a doctor or poison control center immediately. If contact with skin or eyes, rinse well with water. And then we start getting into the fancy wording that I don't know how to read. But let's see. You're in your hoopty, and it's got to be a hoopty if you just can't afford the $9.97 a can of the stuff that has no explosion, no warning of death, doom, or destruction anywhere on this can. Hell, snort it if you want to. I guess it's okay. They ain't got no warning saying you can't. Okay? So there is a little warning there. Let's see. Contents under pressure. May burst if heated. Keep away from direct sunlight and other sources of heat. Yeah, okay, that's cool. But it doesn't say it's flammable. It just says the can will pop and the contents will fall out. It's not going to be shrapnel. It's just going to leak. I'm telling you, that's what's going to happen with it. Okay? This might blow off. So you're riding around in your hoopty, and you and your boys, you're cruising along in your 1978 or 72. Hell, man, what the hell were you riding around in back in the 70s? Your Pacer. You're riding around in your Pacer, and all of a sudden Bohemian Rhapsody comes on, and your homeboy in the back, the stoner, got to spark up a big fatty, and boom, there you go, man. You done did blowed up because the damn evaporator core had been leaking the explosive shit up into your car. Now, you couldn't tell that it was there because you're breathing it, and you didn't get outside and get first aid from the inhalants of the explosive materials that you done cheaped out on and put in your car. I'm just saying, man. I'm just saying. There's a reason why certain chemicals aren't used in air conditioning, okay? Big red flag if it's got a big danger flyer thing on. All right, guys, y'all keep rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking. I got to get with this dude that wants me to put a bomb in his AC and tell him some stories. All right, guys, y'all keep rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking. Keep grinding it down. Talk to y'all next time.